So this is a video with the updated CardioPet software. So you need your CardioPet machine out. You need to turn it on. You need to click on the icon listed as CardioPet. There may be a previous ECG listed on here, so you just want to come up here to new ECG. It's attempting connection. You want to make sure that your patient's in right lateral recumbency, all the things. You're just going to administer the CardioPet the exact same way, okay? You're going to pick your species. We're going to pick canine. When this is green, that means you're getting a good reading. If it's yellow, then you need to recheck your lead placement, okay? So when it's at green, you want to record, and it'll time it for a minute once you push the record button. Down here in the bottom corner, it shows your time. We can cut it. We've finished our reading, okay? So at this point, the patient can get up, and we want to submit it. So we're going to go to save patient, select patient and save right here. And you're going to select new patient and enter in patient's name. Enter in their ID, first and owner's last name. Species. Breed, if you have it. And then you're going to click save. Okay? Once we've done that, you can click it from the current patient site, and you're going to send it in and saying start case. You're going to finish it now. That should pop in your VetMed login. If you don't have the login, it should be written on the box. It's SAC-0038 as a username. Password is Amarillo Vet, capital A with the E in vet as a 3 and exclamation point. So we're going to go back up here to the dashboard, and Testy Test is the most recent one, so we're going to click on it and start new case. Click on it, and then you can select your services. Select service. We're going to do the general ECG screen. Click next. You're going to fill out, the doctor will fill out patient history, whether the patient was sedated, whether it was in right lateral recumbency, does it have a heart murmur or anything else. I'm just going to quickly click through here so we can move on to the next one. The doctor can come back to this at a later date as well. Click next. You will click the requesting doctor, okay? And then you can put your email, the doctor's email if they want that as well. And any other, that's the submission of your ECG. And then just submit the case.